Hi, my name is Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here to show you creative ways how to cook Australian red meat over fire. Why? Because I find it liberating. It provides flavour, romance and theatre. Today's dish, rump picanha over the charcoal. The rump cap, top of the D rump, otherwise known as the picanha, a prize cut in Brazil, Portugal and Spain. Picanha derives from the pole where they used to hit the cattle way back in the old days. That's where the name comes from. Today we're going to slice this into 3 portions, put some rock salt on top of it and then char grill it on the spit till medium rare. We're going to serve this today with a traditional chimichurri and some fire roasted capsicums. Now it's time to portion our steak for the grill. So the rump caps are shaped like a triangle. We're going to nip the top off like this and then we're going to do 3 big slices. Now we're going to turn them around ready for skewering. So I'm going to spear with my boning knife just a little bit of a puncture through the fat and then on the other side with the meat. Why? Because I've got a blunt end here and it's going to make it very difficult to skewer it if I don't have a little bit of a head start by doing it this way. So we pop it in there and then it pops out like that. And I'll just repeat the process. Let's season the rump cap. Rock salt straight over the top, onto the skin. We want to be liberal with this because we want to get a good seasoning when the meat's going over the spit. Now, time for grilling that. To accompany, we've got some baby capsicums. This will be sweet and vibrant with our steak on the char grill. And finally, some chimichurri, the perfect condiment for a dish like this with grilled steak over open flames. Off to the grill. You know, the wonderful thing about Australian beef, you don't have to do much to it. Here we are, cut, salt, peppers underneath. That's all you need. You don't have to mess with a quality product. The producers have done all the work. We need to pay it respect. There's no need to go glazing sauce on this. The steak is the hero. Simple chimichurri and your peppers. Wonderful. There you have it. The perfect Sunday lunch for your customers, friends, family. Join me next time in my backyard for more Australian red meat over fire.